Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Today we try to understand keywords of GST Act 2017 and related issue.
Aggregate turnover.
The aggregate turnover means the aggregate value of all taxable supplies, exempt supplies, export of goods or services or both, and interstate supplies of person having the same PAN, to be computed on all India basis.
But, excluding the value of inward supplies on which tax is payable by a person on reverse charge basis, called RCM, and also excludes central tax, state tax, union territory tax, integrated tax and cess.
Do you understand why it is called one nation, one tax?
Because GST is one indirect tax for whole India. Before that, every state has different tax systems and charged different rate for the same items trade in the country. That's why it is called one nation, one tax.
Why it is called Pan India?
Because PAN is compulsory to get registered in GST. Out of total 15-digit number of GSTIN, first 2 number is the state code, and next 10 numbers are the PAN number of the registered person, and next 3 numbers are allotted by GST department.
Can a person have 2 PAN at the same time?
No, as per the Income Tax Act, having more than one PAN is liable to pay penalty of Rs 10,000. So, in that situation, one PAN should surrender either online or offline.
How to define appointed day in GST?
Appointed day means the date on which provisions of this Act come into force, that is the 1st of July 2017.
Now, what do you mean, assessment in GST?
Assessment means determination of tax liability under this Act. There are various types of assessment such as self-assessment, provisional assessment, scrutiny assessment, assessment non-filer returns, assessment of URP, summary assessment, and best judgment assessment.
Do you know, for how many years, a registered person should keep a records of their books of accounts, and related documents of GST?
Under Section 35(1), every registered person should keep their books of accounts and other related records of GST, until the expiry of 72 months from the due date of furnishing annual returns for the year related such accounts and records. However, in the case of any type litigation under GST, in that case, shall retain the records of that particular year, till the 1 year after the final decision of the such competent authority.
What do you mean by audit in GST?
Audit means the examination of records, returns, other related documents maintained by registered person, under this Act and rules.
What do you mean by associate enterprise?
Associate enterprise means holding control of one enterprise at other enterprise, being investment in share capital at a certain percentage, and involvement directly and indirectly, or through intermediaries, is called associate enterprise.
However, associate enterprise shall have the same meaning as assigned to it in Section 92A of the Income Tax Act 1961.
Who is casual taxable person?
A person who has no fixed place of business.
And person who occasionally undertake transactions involving supply of goods and services or both, in the course of furtherance of business.
What do you mean by principal place of business?
A principal place of business means the place of business specified as the principal place of business in the certificate of registration.
What is unique identification number (UIN) in GST?
Unique identification number is a special class of GST registration for foreign diplomatic mission and embassies, which are not liable to taxes in the Indian territory.
And any amount of tax, either direct or indirect, collected from such bodies is refunded back to them.
Now, in our next session, we will learn some more useful words of GST.
Now, the time to get relaxed and to know something more beside the subject.
Here is: a beautiful life does not just happens, it is built by prayers, humanity, sacrifices and love. Live in peace, not in pieces.
Hope you liked it. Take care yourself, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon. Goodbye.
Disclaimer: this video only for educational and informatory purposes. To know more about the subject, please refer the relevant law of the subject matter. Bye bye. Good luck.
Good luck.